This is a 1965 Porsche 356 SC Cabriolet, the pinnacle of 356s, the last generation. Disc brakes on it, most horsepower. We restored this car about 8-9 years ago here at F40 Restoration. Bali Blue, caramel interior, all leather, dark blue top. It has a European headlights in it, even though it was a US car, but still the European headlights look really, really good, I think. And of course, the interior is just impeccable. Just a beautiful, beautiful job on the interior. Cocoa mats, wooden wheel. We do have the original wheel that goes with it. As the accessory luggage rack on the back. And it is the car. Now, this comes out of a collection here in Connecticut, private collection, and the gentleman's decided to buy some other cars, so moving this one along. So perfect opportunity to get one of the best Porsches in the country.